Dabangg is one film that revived Salman Khan in a big way.
Salman's got a name to protect. Prabhudeva has got a name to protect. I, in my own way, obviously want to keep the legacy going, so I have got to be also conscious. I do have my inputs.
How important is it that for you guys to have the right team for writing?
Can anybody guarantee that, okay, I'm going to give the lines that are going to work?
Who all do you think will be the writers of the film?
That is not to be disclosed at this point in time. Hi, this is Arbaz Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'm with Faridon.
So Dabangg 3 is something that everyone is eagerly waiting for. Prabhudeva is going to be directing it. So, there is this entire phase that Salman Khan is in right now. So he's had a Tiger Zinda Hai which has done like phenomenally well. Everyone has absolutely loved it. The box office numbers are there. At the same time, he's had like a Tube Light and then Race 3. So Race 3 is something that there was a lot of criticism that maybe it's not the vehicle that Salman Khan should be riding, because there's too much at stake as far as he's concerned, and maybe the way the writing was. You guys understand writing, I think, damn well. How important is Dabangg 3 for you? Because, Dabangg is one film that revived Salman Khan in a big way, because he had a Veer before that. And it will, I think, always be a very important film in his career, because it was only after Dabangg that he entered a phase which is considered the best phase of his career. Now Dabangg 3 is coming up, and people are saying that there has to be something new as far as Salman is concerned. The way Ali just gets something new out of Salman each time. So how important is that novelty factor as far as you guys are concerned, and especially after the criticism that has come post?
I mean to say, it's pretty obvious that it is important, right? It is a franchise that we have created, and we respect the franchise, we respect the character, we respect the love that the franchise has got, and we respect the loyalty that the franchise has got. It's not just a 3 to the film and just because you're going to put a number to it and it's going to be accepted. We are going to be conscious of it, and we are conscious of it. And it's not as though we've churned out films, it's not as though Dabangg 2 happened in 2012. So it's taken a while for this to happen. If it was just about putting another 3, we would have done 5 by now. So there's a right time and place for it. I do have, like I said, this time I've taken, I have got out of the director's seat, but it's not as though I'm not going to be involved in the creative aspects. I have been a part from the first right till how many of a series we're going to do. And yes, we have a fresh person helming the affairs, and he has his own ideas and his own vision, and it's going to be an amalgamation, and it's going to be a kind of a process where everybody is going to contribute and everybody is conscious. Everybody has got names over there. Salman's got a name to protect. Prabhudeva has got a name to protect. I, in my own way, obviously want to keep the legacy going, so I have got to be also conscious. I do have my inputs, and everybody's going to make their best effort. It's not going to be something that is going to be dished out. It's not something, oh fine, that's a cash cow, so we're going to just go to do something. That's not our prime need. It's not Salman Khan's need, or to just make a movie and probably cash out of it.
Definitely.
It's his franchise that he kind of respects a lot. Yes, we will make our efforts, we will do our sincere work, we will do the best we can, and we'll hope that it kind of gets all the love and attention and probably takes the franchise further. But it will never be, God forbid, it doesn't. It's not because we wouldn't have put in our sincere efforts in that. You got my point. It's a film at the end of the day, but we will put in all our efforts. So we are conscious of it, but at the same time, like I said earlier, we are not going to worry ourselves sick. It's like, oh, what now? No, हम काम करेंगे, sincerely काम करेंगे. हमको जो हमने सीखा है, हमने जो देखा है, हम उसको वो यूज़ करेंगे. हमारा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, हमारी जो एक जजमेंट है, हम एक्सपीरियंस को यूज़ करेंगे. हमारा जजमेंट, we will believe that हमारा जजमेंट चलेगा. Well and good, but it's not going to be some casual scenario, no.
Okay, now you guys understand writing very well, that how crucial it is. Dabangg 1, for that matter, I think the writing was something which is extraordinary, be the screenplay as well as the dialogues. I think भैया जी स्माइल का भी जो dialogue है वो भी अपने आप में, वो character भी अपने आप में इतना दिलचस्प था, मखसूस था, that everyone remembers it so clearly. How important is it that for you guys to have the right team for writing? Because it's a character which is, as a character, it's a winner all the way. But he needs those lines Like even the characters around it need those lines, because you're catering to a certain milieu, and they're waiting for
I got
it.
your point, Faridun. Like I said, we are going to make very, very conscious efforts to get on every aspect, not just the writing, in terms of the look, the feel, the making, the costumes, the locations, the music, every aspect. It's a big film. It's not as though it's not as though okay, we're going to leave those any stone unturned. But can anybody guarantee that okay, I'm going to give the lines that are going to work? Can anybody say, any writer or anybody say, you know what, I know what Chulbul Pandey is all about, and every line that I'm going to say is going to work, or this script is going to work? Then every film would work that way. It doesn't work that way. Let's be honest. We are going to make our efforts. Everybody does that. Some films will do well, some will meet with average success, some will not meet with the success. But the efforts and the sincerity and whatever we have to see that the films and exhaust ourselves with all the knowledge that we have and resources that we have to make that film good. That's what is going to be our endeavor. So we are not okay, so are you guys going to be serious about Dabangg 3? Of course we are going to be serious about Dabangg 3.
I'm saying about the writing part.
So
who are the
how
writers
else are we going to make the movie if the writing part is not going to be taken care of?
Who all do you think will be the writers of the film?
That is not to be disclosed at this point in time. Yes, we've got Dilip Shukla who has been part of it, and he's going to continue to be a part of it. But we have got writers on board. We've got contributions from people. We've got contributions from Salman. We've got contributions from Prabhu Deva. We've got contributions from other writers. So we have, and we are going to see what is the best and try to narrow down on what we want. And we'll have a team of writers to see that it is there. So we are not. It's not. It's not something that we're going to come on sets and say, "Aaj koi scene likho, chalo, let's shoot it." It's not going to be that way.
I'm not saying that at all. Dilip Shukla was associated with Andaz Apna Apna as well, from what I understand.
I'm not so sure, but probably was.
I think you told me in the Dabangg 2 success interview, from what I remember, at Mandeep Studio.
I'm not so sure, but possibly.
Yeah, I think
yes.
he was.
Hi, this is Arbaz Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'm with Faridun.